Today it's Thursday, February 13, 2025. Yesterday I received the crankshaft back from the machine shop. They polish it. It's not now the time to check the crankshaft. Alright. Keep it here for now. What I'm doing today, it's gonna be a short video. I start opening the oil pump to see with what I have to deal with. I have removed the oil pickup tube. Alright, need to be washed. I have removed the screen from here, the nuts, the two Allen bolts for the pickup tube, this one for the screen. Alright, and now let's see how does it looks like. This is supposed to don't be there. It has also on the housing. Okay. Let me pass it through the petrol to wash it. I need to remove also the safe from there. This one, need to take it out to see with what we have to deal with here. Yeah, it passed something. Has also line here. Alright, let's clean a bit this mess to see how it gonna looks like. And that's how does it looks like after removing the oil. It's completely dry. There are stages on this pump. It's not, this is the oil pump. The oil pickup tube is from this side, and then there is a path from where we're gonna remove, or not we're gonna remove, from where we're gonna go the oil pressure. Okay, this scavenging pump, the middle one on this housing, it's in order. Okay, and see what's happening. Other than, okay, the oil pickup tube, I am gonna wash it. I'm gonna go to wash it to be spotless. Alright, then the front housing here, there is one small piece over there that I'm gonna clean it only on the high spot. I'm talking about this high spot here, only this. I'm not gonna touch anything around. I'm not gonna touch any sandpaper or whatever there. Just cleaning that area. For the gears, I'm not gonna touch the gears at all, obviously. Definitely it passed something hard through the gears, that's why you see these lines, and especially, I mean, yeah. And here, this is not a design on the gear, on the impeller. This is something bites and it makes this line. All right. Now the middle one, it's fine. This, by the way, this doesn't. It's not making pressure. This makes. It's flowing. Has a low pressure. Okay. Okay. The housing, it does have so much wear. One of the reasons is that has an oil pressure here and here. It's not like the, wait, also here front supposed to have, yes, it has also front. All right. But on this type of pumps, it's like the pump of the M156. This is very difficult to fail. I mean, yes, it has a wear. You see also the shaft here. There are signs of wear on the pump. But once again, what's my problem? My problem is that if I said to the owner, you know what, for a peace of mind, if you put a new oil pump, it's gonna be much better. He's gonna come back to me. He's gonna tell me, you know what, it was working fine. So I'm putting it on the video what I have in front of me, high viscosity lubricant, torquing it down, and send it. Except if the owner he bring me a new pump. That's a different story. It's all okay. Will gonna run? Yes, it will gonna run. Definitely gonna run. Just only it has somewhere. All right. And I'm keeping this, like I said, for the owner, for the customer. It's not like, see, some people they get confused and they're saying, you know what, you're the one who's closing the engine. Just make one step back. They brought me the engine in pieces here. They brought me specific pistons. They brought me specific connecting rods, specific sleeves. They brought me the the head gaskets and all these things. You understand that whoever belong, I mean the crankshaft bearings, crankshaft bearings, and so on, they know about engines. It's not like that. You know what? Take my engine, build it, and give it to me back. If it's like that, I'm gonna tell him that, you know what, it's much better to replace the oil pump for a peace of mind, and especially for a high performance engine that will gonna be beyond stock application. Instead of doing that, like I'm saying all the time, I'm putting it on the video to see the owner, to see the tuner, to see whoever cares, okay, what I have in front of me. Like I said, I am gonna torque it down. I will gonna close by again with a high viscosity lubricant. It's gonna be much better than how I receive it, because it was full of black oil on it, sludge and all these things. Everything's being washed. It's being cleaned. I just passed through the petrol to don't have an oil. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. I didn't clean with detergent. With detergent, it's gonna come a little bit more bright. Okay. So that's the status. Let me put it together. Let me get the assembly grease, the assembly oil, the high viscosity lubricant, and put it together. Obviously, I need also the O-ring for the oil pickup tube. I hope they're gonna be in the kit. I hope. We're gonna find out. Before I open it, when I spin it, it was spinning fine. It didn't have any problem. It was not biting anywhere. And like I said, these pumps, they don't bite. It's very difficult. You can, but it's very difficult. It has to pass something. It takes too much abuse to destroy this type of pump. That's the story. That's the thing. And by the way, the same thing like the Mon 5.6. On this pump, even if you use 10W60, there is no problem at all. This geared pump, that's like the Mon 5.6. You can even put a grease inside. It's gonna be fine. Okay, not grease, but 10W60, it's very happy and doesn't have any problem. It's been tested. Let's put it together. And the oil pump back together. It spins nice, like before. It doesn't bite anywhere. I need to change the O-ring, like I said, for the pickup tube. Okay, now taking it from here, rubbing it with nylon, and when I open it, like I said, changing the seal and installing it. That was one small update regarding the oil pump. The crankshaft, not today. Not today because I have to go out. I have also some other parts to take care. Yeah, alright, like I said, small update regarding the oil pump. Keep in mind that I don't even know how many kilometers has the car. What's the mileage? I don't even know. I haven't even seen the car, to be honest. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.